Bonjour! Welcome back to Get By in French. So far you've learnt introductions and greetings, and in lesson 2 you learnt how to say your name and to ask somebody's name. Now we're on to lesson 3 and we're going to ask how are you? So we've already seen this phrase at the beginning when we did introductions and greetings. So do you remember what it was? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? How are you? Do you remember we said how's it going? Aller is to go. Comment allez-vous? Très bien. Comment allez-vous? How are you today? So there are a variety of answers you can give depending on how you're feeling. So you might remember très bien, very good. You may remember je vais bien. Let's have a look at those. So we've got je vais bien, the smiley face. It's going well, I'm okay, I'm fine. Bit stronger than that, really well. Très bien. So, comment allez-vous? Très bien. Then it might be, it's one of those off days, you're okay. Pas mal, not bad, pas mal. And then, if you're not too sure how you're feeling, the day hasn't progressed yet, it would be comme ci, comme ça. Comme ci, comme ça. So a little bit more vocabulary for you for this one because it depends on how you're feeling. The question's the same. Comment allez-vous? So, je vais bien. I'm fine. Très bien. Really good. Pas mal. Not bad. Comme ci, comme ça. Like this, like that. So, a bit ambivalent, you're not too sure. But most of the time, hopefully, you're going to be saying je vais bien or très bien. And then, of course, you want to ask the person back. Do you remember how to say and you? We used it for your name. Je m'appelle, et vous, finding out someone else's name. So again, we say et vous, finding out how you are, and you. And they will say très bien, merci, as one of the answers, possible answers. Could be je vais bien or très bien, merci, remembering our word for thank you. So, just to recap, today we've got comment allez-vous? Je vais bien as an answer. Très bien, really good. Pas mal, not bad. Comme ci, comme ça. Wait till the day's over and I'll let you know how I am. And then you want to ask them how they are. Et vous? And they might say je vais bien or très bien, merci. Thank you for watching. Merci. À la prochaine.